Yaskawa.
Cover one more thing briefly once again. We talked about the forthcoming ability to download all the toolboxes, extracted format with the help files coming by the end of this year. But as of the 2.3 release, which came out less than a month ago, the software itself now supports the ability to launch the help file by right-clicking on a toolbox function block. And I can do that. I can demonstrate that right now. If I right-clicked, I can see the Axis Interlock help file documentation. And the simple trick to make this work on your version of MotionWorks IEC 2.3 is described in the release notes. You simply have to download the CHM file from our website that we mentioned at the beginning of the webinar from yaskawa.com/IECTB and put that CHM file in one of the directories of the user libraries folders and rename it a specific name. But that's described in the release notes for MotionWorks IEC 2.3. It's a relatively easy procedure, and once you do it once, it should be fine for all times that you use the toolbox. There was one question there at the end asking about the reset Mechatrolink in conjunction with an MP2600. And that is a limitation right now of the MP2600. The Y reset Mechatrolink function block does not work on that hardware platform because to reset the amplifier would actually cause a soft reboot of the option card or the MP2600 as well. So it's very different behavior than would be experienced on the MP2300 system with Y reset Mechatrolink. So we have plans to add another function block called Y reboot controller, which would be a more appropriate name for a function describing the behavior that one would have on the MP2600. And that would basically allow you to accomplish a very similar sequence as we just showed here to clear the amplifier alarms that need power cycle. You know, with the additional caveat that the controller itself is also resetting. So there would be some slight difference in performance or in behavior there. Okay, at this point we're going to conclude this webinar and thank the other panelists once again, Nishant, Unikrishnan, Doug Meyer, Mark Wilder, and myself. My name is Kevin Hull. Thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you at the next webinar. Have a good day.